In this video, I will show you how to turn on or turn off airplane mode on Android device. So in this home tab, you have to find out these settings. So click on settings. Now here is the airplane mode option. You can turn on by sliding this setting to on position. Now in this top status bar, you will see this airplane icon. Its mean airplane mode is on. And to turn off, just slide this setting to off. So this is the setting to enable or disable airplane mode on Android mobile. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.